Hello traders, welcome to another episode of Chart Breakdown. And in this video, I would be analyzing forex pairs. And the pair we're having on our screen right now is AUD. To those who have been watching my YouTube videos, you all know that AUD is in a downtrend. And in a downtrend, we're only going to be looking for sell opportunities. And now the overall trend is bearish. On the daily time frame, AUD has been in a range. It has been in a range, so that was why I boxed it. I put it in a box. It was respecting this counter trend line, but now it has broken below and it has broken out of the box. So I'm expecting AUD to fall to 0.62836 before anything can happen. So right now AUD is clear to the downside, so I'm expecting AUD to fall to the green zone. For Eurusd, AUD, Gbpusd, they are correlative pair. They all move, in the same direction. If AUD is bearish, there's a possibility Euro and Gbpusd will be bearish. If Eurusd is bearish, there's a possibility AUD and Gbpusd will be bearish. If Gbpusd is ranging, there's a possibility AUD, USD and Eurusd will be ranging. They might not happen at the same time. They might not give the same candlestick moves, but they always have a unified direction. Like their direction is uniform. They all move in the same direction at the same time. So AUD, Eurusd, Gbpusd, they are all bearish at this point. So same thing too with Eurusd, bearish, selling to the green zone. Gbpusd, bearish, we've broken out of the range to the downside. So we are clear to get into a sell trade, and our first target would be 1.20532. So that's going to be our first level target. For Usdjpy, the overall trend for Usdjpy is bullish, and in the last video I said that Usdjpy has gotten to a major zone and anything can happen. It's a 50-50 chance. But since we are in an uptrend, Usdjpy respected its initial trend, of being an uptrend, and it broke above this major resistance zone. It broke above this zone and only God knows when. Like it has been. So it broke above this major zone. So Usdjpy is clear to the upside, and now we expect I really can't. I'm expecting Usdjpy to get to 200. Yes, because Usdjpy hasn't gotten to these new heights before. It hasn't gotten to these heights in the past. Let me check the monthly time frame to see. I doubt. Okay. So our next level target would be 200, because that's a major zone that's a major zone, because price got there in 1980, we respected it 1981, so that's a major zone. But Usdjpy can respect this line right here, this zone right here, this can decide to respect it. So we have to be careful. Once Usdjpy breaks out of 160.5, Usdjpy breaks above 160.533, then we can continue buying till 200. But Usdjpy is in an uptrend, and yeah, we are in an uptrend. For gold is in an uptrend, and with this momentum, gold is definitely going to hit $2,500 per ounce, or per ounce. So there's nothing to say about gold. Gold is in an uptrend. I've done this analysis since episode 1. So if you had watched the video and you waited for gold to break out, by now you should have been in the trade, and you should have made some, you should have made some money for yourself. So I'm expecting gold to get to at least this green zone. That's about 2,500. Now gold is currently at 2,300. So gold is bullish. For Bitcoin is in the range. Bitcoin is in the range. But on the monthly time frame, Bitcoin is giving me, it's giving me a potential triple top. This is the first top, this is the second top, and this is like a third top. A normal uptrend is supposed to give an high, a low, an higher high, an higher low, an higher high. But this high is not really higher than this high. I can't really call this an higher high. I don't know if you understand me. So, and with this bearish candle I'm seeing, well, we still have about 13 more days to the end of the year, so we never can tell. BTC can be bullish, BTC can give us a bearish engulfing. We never know we don't know for now. So I'm really not touching Bitcoin because we're actually ranging. If you check the daily time frame, we're actually ranging, and which is very understandable because after this bullish move to the upside, it is very natural for it to get into a range. So the range was expected, and also I'm only going to be looking for trading opportunities once BTC breaks out of this box. Till then, I'm really not going to touch Bitcoin because right now there's a lot going on. It's not here, it's not there, it's just everywhere. So Bitcoin can give me a clear direction till then before I get to the market. So for now, I'll just sit on my hands. DXY, the dollar index. The dollar index on the monthly time frame, we are bullish. It's giving us higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So we are bullish. And when price fell and it got, from February, January of last year, price couldn't break below this green zone. On the weekly time frame. Price has just been, it's been going up and going down, going up and going down. So on the daily time frame, I actually saw something that is interesting. Remember, the overall trend is bullish. So now on the daily time frame, I saw an inverse head and shoulder which validates my bullish bias. So from here, this is the left shoulder, this is the neckline, this is the head, this is the neckline, this is the right shoulder. So when price broke out from here, I was expecting it to have a smooth ride, but because of this counter trend line, price couldn't just go to the upside because of this protected trend line. Today to go up, tomorrow it will come down, and all of those things. But even at that, our bullish bias was still valid because price still gave us a second inverse head and shoulder. I don't know if I can move this. Price still gave us a second inverse head and shoulder. It came down, from this point. Sorry guys, 1 minute. From this point it gave us the left shoulder, the neck, the head. It broke above this this counter trend line, gave us the left shoulder, then boom, it's now going up. So the XY is in an uptrend. Now I'm expecting the dollar index to get to the green zone, which is 113.390. But we have to be careful around 106.787, because if you check this place, there was a range, price around this zone. It can cause future issue when price gets there, so we have to be careful. But we are bullish, we are very bullish. For Ethereum is just messed up. So for now, I'm really not touching Ethereum. I'll check it later, later. So US oil, this is the last pair I'll check. US oil messed me up one time, but I was the one that made a mistake. So US oil gave us an inverse head and shoulder. It gave us the left head, that it broke above. So I'm expecting US oil to go up, but I'm expecting some form of resistance at $89 and $95. Once we can clear $89 and $95, we should be heading to $110 per barrel. So guys, thank you for joining me on this episode. Please do endeavor to like, share, subscribe. Please guys, subscribe. I'm just at 21 followers or subscribers. Please guys, help me, let's grow this channel. And yes, peace out. Thank you and have a very nice day. Peace.